take this video here kawango kuzidia I know this guy is a businessman, and I want to do this. I know the challenge maybe you might be thinking about. My baby yourself now, if he's adding the two, I'll pay for accommodation for the two. Because if you want to support a person, we want to push him out, right? So, the two guys that will go forward, I'll pay for accommodation for the two guys. That's how.
Thank you, sir.
So, I don't know what they do. Okay. Ukiona miti unanext. Ngane yetu anaweza mtoto mkome. Ndio wame.
Haya, arudi kwa samba.
Arudi kwa samba.
Sasa Omar tupende wote.
Ukiona unaipea wewe. Now we must balance, and by the way, listen to me. I want to appreciate for the very first time, this is a movie that has considered a lady. There are two men ladies in this movie. That's what I must agree. Again, the director, you brought out gender parity that we've been looking for. Kwa watu usuru, euletuoni, tuwate Samora, tuwate finance, tuwate Monas Garbo. We must get a lady. We need a lady. We need a lady. We need a lady, and I need.
Aqui vai por promoção monto.
Claro. Ya. Wajak beri kok orang sini. Aye.
Pengetangan.
Usaja proposi obuana murami. Kamu bro ibu. Air nanya kelas. Kau bro. Itu mana ke? I think the team is complete, and we agree that this will be the first team, and we don't appear in the second team that will be going. What's up, Mami? Again? Yes. Aye. Degré parte de este que no mano. Dice que comenti programa magana aí. Dice que comenti programa magana aí. Para no mano eu vi tudo absolutamente aí. To Kurumani, we are supporting a young man who is in business in Sabah. If the one who brought the idea, that the idea we will build on. And I give you we will go where the people and we take them in his own arrangement. Are we together? So for now, we must support our community. When you want to be good, you have an hour. So it's a conora and another Kayukire, and it can parting out Kuri, and Kayu one like Kitty. We must invest in him. If you are taking guys to Masai Mara, if you want to go with your girlfriend, make sure you go with suburbs. You go with suburbs, again next time out to resources, and I can man. So you want to execute a collector, yes, and I'm going to get the Torah support. I don't know if it's
I'll talk about what fun I go. You got to balance again. Chica, you know, Yakuana, you go for 3. You go only 8, a month from 9. So I checked 8 these TV guys. 2 of them, my Mweshu, I pay for accommodation. I cover their coffees and transport. Now the rest, I check 100% their ability. One person I want to check is Tola Kwamdao. Just one person. Kutoka kwa kao. Ndio ni watu wa.
Nipatie kitabu. Kaniambia kwa nini nimeongea
Angela na pesa idea. Watu wa hizi TV. Tulieni. Audience imechagua watu wanene. Tunataka watu wa hizi TV pia nyinyi mjitolee mchague mtu mmoja. Ikienda ndio suggest lakini mmoja wa MCU kama Sayabo. Huko waka nara kukuruhusu walimu kukuruhusu kaka director culture huko wako kwa hiyo so balance here that is my suggestion, all right, but we want to release you guys to choose one person. No, you I also the one who got
Makumba.
You know, Zoro is the boss, and I know he wants to operate like a loan. I think because somebody is here. Now, allow me to do this. Allow me, guys, and I'm requesting you. Because we must maintain what we call I babjike huko na Mungu ni uko na tadi wote la I babjike champion there. I'm requesting with all the courtesy and respect that kindly to make this thing look more professional, make a lot of sense, let's combine it with the elderly and the young. If you agree, let's have the director huyu mzee kama atapewa visa na bibi yake aende. Omo wako wewe ukula. Simama juu wana omo wako wewe. Wakati wanaona kusema na wapi kwa. So that we balance the entire team. What's up? Do you have an objection? Whoever that has an objection, you just speak.
I want to suggest, because you said here transform the young member. These guys have content, and these guys have phones, and they have social media. Give that opportunity to these guys at a grace period to share this TV content. When you atakuwa na highest number of shares, atapewa your chance.
Now, that is okay. Whatever you suggested, whoever okora, I will speak to that person. But I want to say, I still insist. I want him to be part of the I want him to be part
from the crowd. From the crowd, Nairobi. Yeah? No. I'm giving a blow right now. Yeah? You know what is the time? You know what's the time? This is what we do. I think my deliberation is, let this stick to visit. Then I will give one of the guys who came from Nairobi for his effort to come here, in particular voucher lunch or dinner for 2 at the Honest Already Terrace, Nairobi. Lunch or dinner for 2 Honest Already Terrace, Nairobi. Wewe kuja. Raymond, chukua namba ya huyo jamaa na mke wake Your lunch is available anytime before Easter. Haya, kula leo. Ikaganga kia bantu babere. Oyo ndiye ndirango bigera. Ikago like yeta. So give me one more person who knows this business. Then we'll go to our next place. Utamana. Babunga angalia sasa.
Very good. Now let's give a round of applause to my brother, the CEO for Sabah. Thank you very much. Now I want to ask the guys up front to remain seated. We raise funds for these guys. Tafadhali.
Yeah, better photograph.
Samora, you just need to tell me which day, so long as it's not on Easter. Any day, but tell me on this away and for the donation. Thank you. Okay.
Let's take a photo with them.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the African Suburbs Adventures Kenya branch, allow me to present a check for 9 bucks to the TV crew. Master Mara 3 days, all-inclusive package. Asanteni sana na unajua God bless you.
I am a group of tafadhali. Thank you.
Kurati, abantu bari mabaraso. Abana banakwenda bakana safari, honeymoon, wale wotete visa ya kwenda Dubai, sote kwenda Singapore, Mauritius, Seychelles, America, yours pia magomo. We sit down and handle your packaging and make it pocket friendly. Thank you for the support and God bless you as well.
Thank you. Thank you. I want to tell you that the entire group here, there's a lot of big things are waiting for you. Just believe and keep doing whatever you're doing. Now, nitaletela kama unataka kuona. Hawana wami tuwabele na wabeka. I want us to do this thing in a very organized manner. Personally, it's a very bad movement of the man. And I came here thinking that I'd just walk in and drop in my few cents. I had a plan of donating 5 Gs, but I'm adding it up. I'm giving 10,000 Kenya shillings to the team too. And so what I want us to do, even if you have whatever amount you have, remember, I say I will drop each and every person home. Lete hata fare ya kurudi nyumbani. I will sort you out. Tutaonana huko nje. And I want us to do it in a very, very orderly manner. I want us to start from this side. Ukuje hivi pole pole. Drop whatever you have for this great team. And tomorrow we shall stand with you. So nataka DJ uniweke muziki kadogo tu kadogo. Bebeleza watu the cup front. And I will bring money here. And I want to challenge you some more. I want to give you a challenge. You must go back again and think. You have given us better. We still know that you can give us the best of the best. Whatever we are reaching, if the challenge was on visual, the challenge was on audio, make sure you get the best and better equipment to give us the best next time. Tunaelewana ndugu yangu? Asante sana. So nataka wana wapi kuna molega. I want us to start from this side. Angalia mfuko kama from hivi pole pole. Let us put something here on this in this part. Tafadhali. Tutaka kwa mga that beautiful lady with a bottle. Oyo wati tuwaya maji na yuko wati tuwaya maji. Makofi kwa toto. Nataka mwanze kukuja hivi uambie wengine nimesema mkuje. Mtoto anaanza. Tafadhali. Mtoto ameanza hapa. Mtoto ameanza. Tafadhali kujeni. Kama tafadhali kwa heshima tu kwa mheshimiwa waziri. Now, I know there are people who want to pay by M-Pesa. Can I get an M-Pesa number or paybill number? Can I get an M-Pesa number or paybill number?
It's on the screen.
It's on the screen. The M-Pesa number is on the screen. You can deposit there. So I want us to do this in a very organized manner. Mkuje hivi, wewe kuja na kichote yenye kulala. Tafadhali ndugu, heshima ya waziri, tafadhali heshima, and I want to know that beautiful lady over there. Nataka uambie mabeshte zangu sasa, waziri ametuita, we want to raise resources for these young people. Hai, tukuje. Haya na kutupa tafadhali. Our brothers from the diaspora, tafadhali mlango ufungue, ndugu yangu. I know I am currently doing, you will come back, it's going to get money, I know. We come next week. Aka sita this side chuma kama una. Come this. Come on.
Watakuwa kana nesi na materia.
Weka namba hapa. I want namba yenu hapa mbele. We want to do something. I don't know it. Asante sana, asante sana. We appreciate the support. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Nasema kuja hivi. Alafu nyinyi pia ni wajue sasa. I'm imagining if we ask all of you to come maybe with some appearing. Tuwa na mwezi. Chui kama unaongoza adore ndio viko tayari. Kila mmoja kuje mbele. Kila mmoja kuje mbele. Tafadhali ngumi yako support our team. Let's support our young brothers and sisters. God bless you. Let us support them. We look at the let us find them properly. Tafadhali kwa heshima waziri, tafadhali kwa heshima. Please let us down. Kwa heshima tafadhali. God bless you. Kwa heshima tafadhali. Mbarikiwe tena sana. Asante kumiaka tafadhali tasaidia. Tafadhali. Kwa heshima waziri tafadhali. Thank you so much. God bless you. Wamesoma juu tafadhali. Tafadhali. Wabariki asante sana. Shirini yako tafadhali unaweza kuwasaidia. God bless you.
You're very good.
Yes, bye.
God bless you. Ndugu zangu, these guys have no idea coming up. Please, come with whatever you have. Let's buy these guys. Wazito wanataka kufanya. I'm spoken. God bless you. Wanaona kwa kubariki sana. Mungu awabariki sana. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let's do it.
The lady from the majestic, but very short.
On the same respect, we'll take it for Ali. The lady from Hema, please say a word. Punjab from Ali. The lady from Hema, all of our schools on the list of you. The lady from Hema, please say something, please. Say a word. Tafadhali au mtazamo yetu tafadhali msitakae tu tafadhali tulie tafadhali. This lady is from This lady is from Hema Hospital, the one responsible for this movie, please. Kwa heshima kwa kupiga makofi, asante kwa tafadhali, piga makofi tu tafadhali. We appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Hi. My name is Daphne Kemuto.
Kemuto?
Yes.
Yeah. Very are misplaced.
Yeah, I'm Daphne Kemuto. I'm the marketing manager of Hema Hospital. I didn't know that we have talent. Mkisi.
So now you know.
I am very happy and proud of DBTV for the work you are doing. Keep on pushing and keep on working hard. Sorry, another thing, what I just want to talk about Tema Hospital. I know you all know where Tema Hospital is, just along the Stadium Road. And we have the best services and highly qualified doctors and personnel. We welcome you to our hospital. Actually, we also have a very good management. And the services that we offer, we have inpatient, outpatient, dental services, eye checkup. We also have MRI that is already here. So you are all welcome to have our hospital. Thank you so much, and may God bless you.
Tafadhali mpira kwa mazuri. Kabla tunaanza mheshimiwa, tafadhali uende zako na useme pamoja. Tafadhali pamoja tu. Yes, what is good? I think this is the second time I've been here. My name is Azak Wana. The last time I was here, I saw there was not much investment on the movie, but this movie, watu waliinvest kabisa kwa hoteli, kwa vitu vizuri, kwa chakula, and everything there was fine. I've always been a great fan of your movies. At 4 p.m. daily I watch wakati Samora may upload, and I support it in a major way. And also I want to thank, this was Obina was a teacher we taught with a long time ago, and I'm seeing he's supporting. He loved a lot of drama and music. I'm seeing that Haba and Dizzy TV has done his best. There's a group that I manage. It's called the Kisii County Hope Seats, a platform that has stayed for over 4 years. This guy used to wake up at 6 o'clock and do audios in that platform, in our WhatsApp. And that is how we built and we supported him all through katika comedy yake. We also want to say, we want to support it. We want to support Dizzy TV in a special way. With all those followings and with the following, and I hope your Kwamba will get much subscribers as we move ahead. Otherwise, I wish you all the best. What I can also only offer is social media support from my end, and I'll do it day in, day out. Samora utakuwa nistua nikisahau, so that at the end of the day we put it for about three months. By 3 months, I know we'll have done a lot of stuff. Otherwise, thank you very much. So, the night is still young. You know, let's not forget the movie is big. Let's not forget it's Valentine's night, it's couples night. For the singles here, there's another single sitting next to you. So that means after this event, we're gonna have a performance right here, and then go down to Club Eclipse for a big night. So for that reason, the night is still young, and for that reason, I want to appreciate where's Kemunto here, one of the sisters on Dizzy TV. Kemunto wapi tafadhali? Kemunto wapi? Amanda, I have to tunampenda sana, and we love her so much. Please take that message to her. And that means, as I say, the night is still young. Just knowing the house, we are the biggest of all time music of Kisii, Miggy the champion. And then we have in the house, of course, if I can mention this, the biggest, heaviest man, Ogo Science. They're going to be performing right here. Of course, one of the ladies who featured this movie, Aida Fritzstan. She has a new song for Valentine. Please do not move out to miss this song. So these performers are coming right after this. Let's give Karoti to appreciate the support you gave us as where's Karoti, please? Karoti, please. You can say what? She comes from one of the biggest Akpo Baba. Hawa ukitaka kuelewa vizuri, ukitaka sauna na vitu zingine, hata kwa bibi unapata.
Hey guys. Sasa kwa majina naitwa Karoti Kalimpo. Nafanya kazi hapa and Baba. Kwa hii movie mliona Osora akioshwa anafanywa massage. I was the one who was doing it. All I request you, hao wanaume wenye mnataka kuolewa, vichwa, ndevu, mkuje mfanyiwe massage. Welcome at Papa Spa and Baba. Iko located huko Oru Towers, 7th floor. Nawakaribisha sana. And one of these TV actors. Jina langu naitwa Nancy Abuka. Mimi ndio nakuanga na confused antivirus kidogo. Achana na Gesare. Na Mochaleli. Yeah, thank you so much, Samara. You're doing a good job. And my fellow actors, I really appreciate you for the good work you're doing. Pamoja Juzi.
For all of those who are following us online, wale wanatufuata online kutoka Nairobi pale kutoka diaspora, we appreciate you. Mochoge has sent us 10,000 bob. What makofi ya Mochoge? And then we have one Dennis Opanga. Dennis Opanga ako pale nyuma pale ametokea 2,500 kupitia kwa simu yao. Tafadhali tumappreciate kwa yeye pia. Now from right now, with the go-ahead of Mheshimiwa, please, tonight, for the lovers in the house, allow me to bring to you one big tune from Faith Time. She's a big performer. Let's appreciate her. All right?
Hello guys. Hello. Nakamkeni mazee. Kwani mtabambika na hiyo movie ya mama? Say yeah.
Yeah.
Say yeah.
Yeah.
Asante sana kwa kuwa hapa siku ya leo. It means a lot. Kabla ni fanye mambo yangu pale, I have a new track out inaitwa My Valentine. Si leo ni ile siku, sio? Si ndio? DJ mazee.
Tumefunga toka leo, tuende kazi. DJ, are you ready?
DJ Wally. Kaini naomba msimame. Hii nyumba ya wapenda nao.
Msimame hiyo kwa mshikaji. Aende mfefana. Aende mfefana. Msimame tafadhali.
Are you ready? Are you ready people? DJ drop it. Pole pole tu my this is for love. This is for love. You drive me crazy. I know my sweetie baby. kazi, au sio? Ile patie jirani tukafunge. Patie ina lazima mchangamke, sio?
Kabisa kabisa.
Say hi to your neighbor. Hi to your neighbor.
No, you are.
Ready?
One of the big tunes in the house. So you come on my MC from the other side, Makubamba. Ikekyo next month sana wapi kwa wapigile yake ama kidogo ametoka. Akieleweki. Haya wazi. Basi. Now I'll bring a guy who's the chief on the ground. I know nikisema chief on the ground. He knows how to marry. Wasanii wote amewaleta kwenye industry, please, and he's going to do one big tune yenye iko naye Babu G na wazito wengine pale ndani pale. Please allow me bring to you a champion, please, in the house, Miggy the champion. Wapelele Miggy the champion.
Mambo mniaje watu wangu? Nikisema ndizi mnasema TV. Ndizi! Ndizi! Hega kichimbe bachanyalire. Hega kichimbe bachanyalire. Every morning vichirema. Every morning. Every morning again. That's it. How are you? Thank you for Winnie. Our brand new song.
with me and Babuji. Unataka kuiwa? Eka kichimbe bachanyalile. Ndagedeke mwani. Ndagedeke mwani. Baada msikizi nalema kuna Mkalenjin hapa ndani anapenda hiyo ngoma ya Kimoni na Jimbela. Mnataka kumuona pia yeye? Haya, ama chumali hata lipipe Kimoni ngeke. Mwata mali. Kuja. Eka kichimbe bachanyalile.
Wanyali weke mwoni.
Ndagedeke mwoni. Na nyonileke mwoni. What's your name, bro? Chemugwati? Mwakele chinko biuni. Umari kisi. Lakini otile se lonchi mubi ya ipeke kusi. Mungu mwakele chinko mi. Sipapa mkuone. Ni alao niite mwenzangu anaitwa Babuji, tuimbe ngoma inaitwa Chimbewa. DJ press play tena kazi.
Lepa como coisa, ani boboto como vekeiga. DJ batavo sali que play. Tole. Ai, hotel.
Kichimbe bachanyali. Kichimbe bachanyali.
Takete boli.
ukampenda na ile ngoma esini ayetazo magungu kaya jede
ayebabo mongongo mayaniete ayebabo mongongo mayaniete utabutigamo lero aliete aende kimaende kiariete
ebe kemaene kiayede
Chibando Jisamba Chakerete. Allow me to introduce for the Bayan to the world. DJ to the Kazi, yes, see me to the world. Wapi ndugu wewe? Tuendelee sana. Tunataka kuanza hiyo kama kutoka juu, sawa? Wapi ndugu za Bayan to the world? Wapi ndugu za Science? Ndio tunaye kazi kutoka juu.
twende kazi director. Asante sana. Piga jamaa makofi, anaitwa Babuji. Ameleta antivirus, ameleta Forever Young. Mimi nilileta Vicky Young. Nataka kuleta msanii mwingine wa pili anaitwa Lira Young. Wote niletoka ngeke msika moja. Tena kila mtu tena vipi? Vipi Lira Young? Yule anasema
Hey!
Thank you. Kama mmekubali kazi yangu kijana, tafadhali mpigie makofi. Ndio ngoma yake ya kwanza tumefanya na yeye, and I hope nitamsupport. Sio? Right now introducing Makubamba
Thank you for coming. Almost chicken. Hapo tu badili kwa paki ichata hapo mteja. You know ndio ichata. Tega meshuka. Si ndio nipatie na nini ichata hapo iko paki. Kwa paki. Alafu
Mazen na nili ulikuwa unashoot kesho.
Ai ya. Tuweza ifanya Monday.
I'm going to Nairobi. That's the point. Na nile cover song nilipiga ile before ile ngoma yenu. Ni from 7 in the morning to around 10 because From one, I'm supposed to be.
I'm supposed to be in Nairobi today because I have a shoot tomorrow ya shule na ni only tomorrow. Ni wako half term.
Noma sana. Okay, let me look for you.
Although I have tunaenda kesho. Because actually so what I'm saying is, if this guy has cancelled on me, then it means tomorrow I'm available. So when you let it as soon as I maliza in this life, I talk to him in the official. If it's not too mad at me, I'll go. If I'm not, then I'll be available for you. Okay, but you can talk to me. The window let's check on rekodi yangu kitu ndani rekodi yangu katikati microphone iko chini kwa katikati
Asante sana kila mtu kwa kuja. Wacha niseme on behalf of Ndizi TV family, thank you everybody for coming. Sasa tumemaliza, tunaenda
after party pale Eclipse
after party kuna
Eclipse pale chini
yeah
alikuwa anaitwa club
nani anacheza
alikuwa anacheza 454 akiwa pale pamoja na Kaleba na Kidegua mwenyewe, sio? Ndio bwana.
Wewe nimetoka mkono. Wale nimetoka mkono.
Oh baby.
Voilà. Célèbre.
And the name of the way for the famous is the one, is the Rapport 254, alongside that, the one and only DJ Kaleba, you up on the Maranti Kibao. Are you ready?
Sasa mimi ndakuwa kamera manoto. Siwatatishie. Tuweke hapo waongeleshe. Hebu ongea. Hapa hivi polisi tushafanya launch ya hizi TV kama kawaida na kumshika. Next time tunafanya launch. Soro kama kawa, big up to this. Yes. Namba za kumbea. Nane.